Welcome back, and now news from sports. The Kingfisher Goa Professional League was officially launched on Friday. Ironically, the tournament has already begun with the first round of matches completed. Goa Football Association and organisers Pro-Cam have blamed the weather and waterlogged grounds for the delay in kicking off Goa's premier football competition. Moreover, GFA Vice President Elvis Gomes is confident of completing the Pro League on time, unlike the past seasons. Sponsors Kingfisher, along with organisers Pro-Cam and Goa Football Association, announced the Pro League.
And I'm very pleased to announce that we have taken a decision to continue with the sponsorship of the Goa Football Pro Football League for the 4th year. We also will sponsor the senior Goa team for the Santosh Trophy.
With Kingfisher has come forward to sponsor this professional league comprising of 10 teams. We have followed the same format as done last year, and the first round will result in 5 teams being on the top fighting for the title, and the remaining 5 fighting against relegation.
2 seasons ago, the Pro League was completed much later than scheduled. Last season, despite kicking off the tournament on time, the Pro League schedule took time to complete. GFA and Pro-Cam will be under immense pressure now to complete the Pro League on time.
A couple of circumstances that we went through. One of them was, yes, like you said, the Federation Cup, and the teams were at the Federation Cup. Outside of that, there were rains in Goa, so the grounds were a problem. And so, yes, are we delayed by 72 hours? Yes, we are.
Yes, because by experience last year, the league extended beyond a reasonable time that was earmarked for that. But that is one of the reasons before this launch, we started in right earnest. We didn't want to lose time. And in spite of the inclement weather, we had to push these matches because the calendar is very tight. And the I-League now also starting day after tomorrow, or tomorrow rather. We have to ensure, and the cooperation of the clubs also has been forthcoming in this. 4 clubs in this 10-hour I-League participants. And they have come forward to assist in a big way, without much of rescheduling, and therefore we are confident of completing it in time.
Wildwood Leisure are the only addition to this season's Pro League after earning promotion. Despite all the organisational hiccups, the Pro League has got off to an exciting start, with holders Dempo winning, while I-League side Sporting have suffered a loss to Cesar. With senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent Media. Mandovi Athletic Club are organising an athletic meet in November. A total of 35 events will be conducted under 3 age groups, with over 450 participants expected. Teams from Maharashtra and Karnataka will take part in the event, but Goan athletes could be at a disadvantage as the outstation teams will be training on synthetic tracks, whereas Goan athletes still lack that facility. The athletic meet will be held at the Kampal multipurpose ground. Kurchode MLA Nilesh Cabral is the chairman of the organising committee and gave a few details of the event.
The meet which is going to be held on 23rd and 24th of November. And the events which are going to take place are in 3 categories. They are under 14 boys and girls, under 16 boys and girls, under 18 boys and girls. Now, what is there in these events? These events are going to have 100 meters, 600 meters, shot put, long jump, 4 into 100 meters relay. So there will be 3 groups. There will be teams from various states. Like we'll have from Maharashtra. Then in Maharashtra there are Mumbai suburban, Thane, Mumbai city, Pune, Nasik, Sindhudurg, Ratnagiri, Sangli, Dharwad, Gulbarga, Belgaum, Karwar, and a lot of other teams will be also there. Along with, we will divide our Goan teams into two categories.
Goan athletes will be at a clear disadvantage as the outstation teams participating train on synthetic tracks. But former athlete and president of the Mandovi Athletic Club, Paresh Kamath, feels Goan athletes will take the problem in their stride. With Dinesh Garpe, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Have a great weekend up ahead. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.